How to unfollow on Instagram everyone at once. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Play Store app. Now you have to search for the Insta Cleaner. Then you have to install this app onto your phone. To install app, click on Install option here. After installing the app, you will be able to view the interface like this. Here you have to enter your account details and then click on the login option. As you can see here, you will be able to view of the people whom you follow on Instagram. If you want to instantly unfollow all of these accounts, click on the Unfollow 10 option at the bottom of this page. Here, as you can see, it started to unfollow the accounts. By this way, you can instantly unfollow as many accounts as you want. So that's how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once.